Hello beautiful wavy and curlies, and welcome back to another video, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. I am wavygirljessie and my goal is to help you learn to take care of your hair and fall in love with it again. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another DIY haircut on myself. I do have another video if you want to check it out, doing the DIY unicorn cut from Manesbymell, and today we are doing the Manesbymell pigtail haircut. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, if you'd be interested in more content like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss when I drop a new video every single Friday. Okay, so first off, I just want to say I have tried the pigtail cut before. I do think I kind of prefer the unicorn cut. I think that gives me better results, but we are doing the pigtail cut today anyway, just for this video to show you guys how it turns out, give you another option on how to DIY cut your hair. How do you pick the right DIY haircut for you? From my experience, the unicorn cut kind of gives you more layers, and I would say it's more suitable for high density hair. It's more suitable for medium to long hair and looser curl patterns, like more so wavy hair. Whereas the pigtail cut, this is what I've learned from Mel and from my own experience, you have more control over the layers that you're giving yourself, so it is better for shorter hair, curlier hair textures, or even if you have really low density hair. What that means is you don't have much hair per square inch on your scalp, so giving your hair too many layers can give the illusion that you don't have as much hair as you actually do. So low density curlies layers may not actually be your friend, FYI. I usually try and trim my hair every 8 to 10 weeks. By now my hair has kind of been acting up for about a week. I've been getting a lot more knots and fairy knots. Fairy knot is when one single piece of hair just kind of like ends up with a little ball of knotted hair in it. That's a sign that I need to trim. I start to see the odd split end here and there, or my ends are kind of looking a little fragile, a little weak. My hair tends to get frizzier as well, and my definition doesn't last as long despite using stronghold stylers, despite giving my hair protein. So yeah, my hair just kind of rebels and acts up when I need a trim. Today I have deep conditioned, I have washed and conditioned my hair. My hair is now damp, and just like when I did the unicorn cut, I'm going to section my face framing pieces. Okay, so first off, what I am doing is I'm taking my face framing section and I will be brushing that and over directing the hair to one side to kind of give the effect where it goes from short to long. I feel like I fucked up. Once I have cut my face framing pieces, I'm just clipping them out of the way, and now I am splitting my hair down where my part is and brushing that, smoothing everything out so that there's no lumps or bumps. Okay, now this section is going to be our layers and tying it up in a scrunchie. Okay, so my hair isn't too far back, but it also isn't too far forward. And then I just brushed straight across and cut quite a big chunk off my hair because my ends were looking quite thin and a little sad, so I felt like it needed to go. This haircut is also great if you've got a lot of hair like me. It's easier to cut it when your hair is split in two. If you wanted more layers, you could brush your hair kind of going up diagonally from your head or straight upright, but I decided to do it brushing across today. And again, the same on the other side. Then check if it's all even, take it down, brush everything out, smooth it out again, and now we are going to cut the length of my hair. All of these tips, by the way, are from Manesbymell, something I learned from Mel. If you would like your hair to be shaped as a U at the back rather than a V, you need to keep your body straight, turn just your head to one side and brush and smooth all your hair down. Use your finger to glide down your hair and then cut a chunk of hair. Again, I cut quite quite a lot off. And then again, the other side, check and see if it is all even. I felt like one side could have done with a little more off, so I went in again and cut off a little more. This haircut was really fast, really easy to do, and it's a great option if you're still in quarantine wherever you are. Maybe you don't have the funds to go to the hairdresser, maybe you don't have the time to go to the hairdressers. This is most of the hair that I cut. You can see the ends are like looking a little thin and sad. Okay, so I am going to go and wet down my hair and style as usual, diffuse, and I'll be back to show you the finished results. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I am obsessed with my hair today. I just feel like it's really light and fluffy, really bouncy, really soft. In case you're interested, my friend Lucia, she sent me a little goodie box with samples, and that has basically been my wash day today, and I literally want to go out and buy all of the products she sent me. Let's trim this guy. I will insert a little clip of how my hair looked when I did the unicorn cut, just so that you can compare what the layers are looking like. And styling aside, because I think maybe my waves look nicer today, which haircut do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments. Have you tried either a unicorn cut or the pigtail cut? Let me know. And how did it go for you? I really hope that it wasn't a disaster. I am extremely happy with how my hair has turned out today. I think that my trim has done my hair the world of good. I am quite happy with the cut, but again, I think my layers are very long. I think it's going to look okay for the next few washes, but as the weeks go on, I'm really going to notice that my hair is kind of weighed down, more or less all one length. That is it. Here's my haircut. Thank you again, Lucia, for these products. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you would like to see more wavy head content, and turn on the notification bell because you do not want to miss my video every single Friday. And give this video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. And I will see you next week. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye.